right? We are expected to evaluate 453 base 8 minus 62 base 8, leaving our answer in the same base 8. So this is subtraction of number bases. Let's get straight off into the solution. So let's take 453 minus operation subtraction. This is 62. Both numbers in base 8, and the subtraction is to be carried out in this base. So we have from the far right hand side, subtraction goes on normally the usual way, the digits on top, subtract the digits underneath. But once we encounter a point where we have to borrow, the units borrowed from the digits on the left will equal the number base. Let's do this. 3 minus 2 can be executed. 3 subtracts 2 to give us 1. In standard test, that shows that the last digit in this option should be 1, which is a match all through these options. So we proceed. 5 minus 6 cannot happen, but we force it to happen by borrowing 1 from here. Now we borrow 1 from 4, and that 1 translates into the base 8. And that 8 must then be added to 5. The 8 is from the base. 8 plus 5 gives us 13. Now 13 minus 6 gives us 7. And now with the borrowing of 1 from this 4, the 4 is 3. 4 has now become 3, losing 1. And that 3 has no other digits to interact with right here. So we say 3 minus 0, and that gives us 3 right there. 371 is 8. Our final answer. Very simple. And that's actually the option D right there. All right. Now attached to this video are 2 quiz questions to test your understanding of the content of this video. Please take the test and click on your answers. Of course, in the pinned comment, you have a quick test on the full topic number basis. 30 questions to be taken in 30 minutes. So by clicking the link in the pinned comment, you can take the test on number basis. Finally, you can study the full presentation of the topic number basis by clicking the link in the pinned comment. The full topic number basis is fully analyzed. So enjoy the studies. Thank you for being part of this session. Please like and share this video. Subscribe also to the channel. Above all, turn on the notification bell so that you can get notification on new videos being produced. Thank you once again for being part of the session. See you in the next video.